Back out in Torrance. Have I been here in the last month? I don't remember. 30% off the back wall. Looking at the 10 and a half. Ja. 2 is 85. LeBron's right here, 120. Oh, those are the next gens. That is 130 for these. That's just crazy seeing these. This price after the clearance store. What's this? 70 for the flight course. That's not too bad. But if you get those, I hope you guys are going to the clearance store because they're giving them away. MVPs, 100. Greek freaks, what would they talk about? $80. The GT cut 4s right here. 2 bills for these bad boys right here. These bad boys, not bad. Super high-end cleats. Normally 300 down to 150. Remember, you get 30 off on top. Oh, they got, what are these? Oh, some other cleat. Nike by You. 6.5 though. What are they talking about right here? Street Fly 2 Glam. That's a 9.5 though. What's this? Pegasus Trails, 110 for those right there. Dude over there found Vapor Flies for like $85. I think they were like $119. You get 30 off at 80 something else. We're checking out the women's size 12. And yeah, $80 for these Jordan 4 RMs. 30% off. They got them in a few bigger sizes. I see another one right there. Size 15, 60 for these. So what is that? A 13 and a half men's. Force is 90. Got like some Dunks, 90. These Jordan mids right here, $100. Selection not too crazy in the bigger women's sizes today. 50% off clearance apparel. Booker jerseys. What are they talking about? $60, so $30 for Booker jerseys. I see some double XLs, but I see large. I see medium. Yeah, they'll go for $30 after a discount. But not too many of us in LA want no damn Suns jerseys. Nobody want no Suns jerseys. We got Seattle Mariners t-shirt, $35. $30 for that, so $15. Alright, ton of t-shirts. It looks like it's like almost all t-shirts other than those freaking jerseys right here. This t-shirt's interesting. Saw this a minute ago. Matches the neons right there. $30. Tennis t-shirt, $40. SE hoodie, $50. Like I said, SE polo right here, $50. Got these in medium. James Jr. I don't know who that is. Who was that? $100, so $50. Is he still with them? I don't know. He's still with them. Got this for $85. Oh damn, that is hella cheap. So that's up $40-something. That one is an XL. Got a Herbert and a large. I'd probably grab for one of my boys, but don't see none. Nope. The Vapor Flies that homie had, they were size 9. Alright, we're gonna do 11 and above. Got Flight Legacies right here, $50. Talk about for these witnesses, $45. Total 90s. Soccer shoes right here, indoor soccer shoes, $70. LeBron trainers right here, $135. All are mostly black. We're gonna see extended size pricing. It looks like 11 and a half. They start the extended size pricing, $50 for those. Some why nots. It's $75. Got Kobe's. These are 12 and a half. Just see the price on these. Oh dang. Still retail. I guess you get that little extra discount to 30 off, I guess. Got some waffles right here. These are going for $60. Streak Fly 3s, $130. Witnesses, $90. Air Max 2017, $135. Size 13 men's, $100. I think they have some bigger sizes, but not too many extended size price items, and not too much heat either. $60 for the A1s right here. Finish off the clearance apparel where we got some. Dang, dude, look at that. Oh, book shorts right here. Okay, 125. Bigger size, but dang, dude. Oh, got another one. Another one here. It says above the knees. So this one's like for super tall people. 125 again. And Torrance, of course, they're gonna have some golf shorts right here. 97 down to 58. Dry fit ones. We got a couple of them right here. What they talking about price wise? They're talking about 60 bucks, normally 80. More of these. Tech fleece right here. 65 bucks, 65 bucks. Then another 50% off. That's like the cheapest tech fleece you'll ever find. Holy cow. Holy crap. That's crazy. I'm trying to get away from that material though, but they got a couple of them. Like some super thick track pants right here. These are small, 55. Baseball or these look like boxing shorts, but they're definitely not 30 bucks. These look like baseball pants right here. Guarantee it's a online return because they usually don't sell too much specialized equipment. At the outlet's 45. Got another one of these as a large too. Look at this, $65 for tech fleece. That is crazy. Told you guys buy off season XL here as well. All right, let's knock out the smaller sizes. Let's see more of these GT Cut 4s. 2 bills though. Went down $1, I guess. 299 cents to 200 even. 9.5. Got the Jordan Elements right here. 30% off, 205. Oh, the Vapor Flies. Look at this. 120, 30% off for Vapor Flies. That is crazy. That is crazy. Is this the one that fool had? I don't know. I don't remember, but that is a crazy price. Normally $270, under $100. That is crazy. Wow. This price, if they had my size, I probably would grab them. That is crazy. Pegasus Trails. They usually go for $155. What the heck? Really? So used to finding stuff discounted. I was like, don't even remember the regular price. $120 for the KDs. Why is it size 10 over here? More of these MVPs for $100. Oh, it's ACG. Is that why that one's a little bit more? Is that why? I guess. All right, let's go check out the aisles. Aisles, they do got some ones, the mids. Of course, plenty of the non-signature Jordans right here. Do we know the names? Some of them. Most of them no. Play slides. I'm gonna say generic 270. No, these are the golf variant. Apparently, some cleats. More soccer cleats. Whenever I see these, I'm like, what did I miss out on? But yeah, I'm not seeing anything crazy on the end caps. See plenty of slides, which is great for this area. Budget signature basketball shoes right here. Calm slides right here. And I'm gonna be honest, I'm trying to get away from this like, it's like plastic material. So I'm trying to get away from that, but you know, some of y'all don't mind. That's a solid price. I have seen them on sale at the regular stores as well though. A couple of Shox R4s. Jordan 4 RMs. Red colorway right here. Another Shox R4. Like a budget one? I don't know. Shox Ride 2s. Horses 2017s. 4 different colorways. Got second, third. What is that? Cargo khaki, and then was that obsidian? Black obsidian binary blue. Air Max 90s. And I got some Infinity Run 4s right here. Nothing too crazy in the running section. Right before we go to the women's section, I need to clean these. God dang, I do need to clean these. The front just like so dirty. I think I'm gonna have to wash them. I haven't really washed too many suede shoes, but I'm gonna have to try it and hope it doesn't get too faded. But yeah, the golf dunks right here, I freaking love these. One of my favorite shoes. And then the shorts and a tank top. Man, I feel so bloated. I ate and drank like crazy this weekend. Probably this whole week actually, with all the damn World Cup games. Dang it. Alright, I think I got like 5 minutes left. I have to meet up with my family to be able to get 30% off. Forces right here. That is pretty fire. I don't think this is the newer cut yet, because right, they're changing, is it already? Someone might have just tried it on, and because these crease like crazy. That's one of the things I hate about Forces. But yeah, 115. We got this colorway as well for 90. Jordan 1 mids go for $100. Got some 270s for 100. Romero 5s right here, 170 or 171. 171. So $1 more. Apparently, I bet you it's not. The colorway of 270s right here, $100. Got some Lowe's. Go for 90. Dunks down here. Ooh, I know better to touch that. Yeah, we got some more right here, $90. Got slides, Rejuvenate slides, 65. Oh, got the fluffy slides right here. Calm Meals go for 45. Pegasus Plus. If you need Pegasus Plus, go to the clearance store. Certain sizes were insane cheap, 130. Missed that video. I think they were going for as low as like $50, which is crazy. Oh, this is kind of the selection, nothing too wild. In the aisles, we do have some mids, palm slides, and then what are these? The Benassi slides. A couple of dunks right here. Cortez. Is that it for the women? I think that's it for the women. Just some running shoes over here. Nothing too crazy. That's women's. This is usually 50-50. This is usually like women's and then grade school, but it's all grade school now. Probably getting a lot more grade school stuff because kids are gonna be going to school soon. Some dunks. Cortez. Hope you guys are looking for your return to school stuff like throughout the entire summer, so you don't have to pay full price for everything. Y'all know, as soon as school starts, everything's gonna be full price. Sales are not gonna be great. They got some of the non-signature J's, got some Lowe's, some basketball, and what are these, like the Corporos or something? Then it's all preschool stuff on this side. I think I gotta go though. Gotta go have dinner with my family. I was like, what shoes are they wearing? She's wearing some Air Max Generics, and then she's wearing some Zoom Freaks. Is that what she's wearing? Out in Monrovia, they do have one of these, Lowe's outlet. It's a pretty freaking fire spot. I've showed this spot on my channel a few times. They got all kinds of random appliances. They got stoves right here. They got a ton of refrigerators, like a whole lot. Barbecue grills. It's got like random stuff over here, like shower heads and stuff like that. Was $50 now, $13. What the hell? This one is $55 down to $14. What is this? This is for bathroom vanity. That's down to $300. But I really want to check out these barbecue grills. Weber barbecue grill, $5.99 down to $300. Look at this. It's missing the wheels. I think that one has a wheel. Missing. They got one right here. This is $680 down to $340. This one's natural gas though. This one is natural gas. The only difference is this right here. But yeah, it's 50% off. This one right here is a propane one, and it's just missing a knob. So yeah, it is $600. It's down to $300. So I think I'm gonna grab this one. I could just buy a cheapo knob. I could buy it on Amazon, or I could buy a real one from Weber. I think I'm gonna grab this $300 freaking dollars. That's what's up. And they got this super nice one right here. Look at this. $1,200 down to freaking $600. That is crazy. It looks like, was this already bought? I don't know. Was this already purchased? I don't know if this is, it looks like, I don't know. That's weird. But why would this be out here? I think that was the initial one, but $600 for this super big Weber grill. They got other brands right here. Charles Boyle grill. This is 50% off. They got this one, Napoleon. Never heard of that brand. Super high end apparently. Look, almost $2,000. It is 50% off. And this one is this one just has stainless steel. It's easier to clean than the ceramic ones. Just a couple other random things. Look at this. This is like a refrigerator. Looks 75% off. This thing, is this a wine fridge? I think it's a wine fridge or something. I don't know. It's a regular fridge. I'll show you guys some of the regular fridges. 30% off of this one right here. This is the type of stuff I'm talking about. 75% off. This one does have a dent. Some of them have dents, some of them don't. That one's all scratched up. God dang, dude. This one right here, I don't really see anything wrong with this one. It is 30% off. 75% off this one. I don't see anything wrong with this. It's a KitchenAid. Look at this. $3,400 down to $9 or $850. I don't see anything wrong with this one. Yeah, so they got some crazy deals. You do have to inspect everything super thoroughly because some of the stuff's damaged, and they even put notes on it and stuff. So pretty dope spot. You guys might want to check it out if you happen to be close. Comes out to $300. Normally $600. I did look up the knobs online. Amazon has like a bunch of generic ones for hella cheap, like 30-40 bucks. And then I'm gonna check Weber to see if I can get one from them. But yeah, $300 off just because the knob is missing. That's what's up. All right, did pay for it. Did grab it. I'm gonna have to grab this. I'm gonna have to pick it up in an hour when I come back with my kid. And then even better, look at this. Look at this, even better. $125. It rang up for $125 for whatever reason. I have no clue. So normally $600, $125. I got it for 75% off. Pretty freaking fire. Holy crap. That's what's up. That's what's up. Damn. Probably like 30 minutes later, I did have to take the barbecue apart because it wouldn't fit in my car. I was hoping it would fit in the back seat because like technically it was like wide enough, but there were certain parts that were too fat. So I did disassemble it. I had to go buy tools at Harbor Freight, which is 2 miles away. But it worked out. It did work out. Is that a Red Robin cup right there? But yeah, $125. I did spend $5 on tools. Literally spent $5 on tools. But yeah, we're good now. We good.